Hey guys, welcome back to Team Coding Plaza. And in last video, we have seen that how to install and set up the Oracle 19c in the Windows 11. See here, it has been installed successfully, right? So that here some logs and all there. So we'll close this. So installation done. And logs also taken in. You can check in future. See, here we have stored the DB name, password, and everything as a safe purpose. Okay, if you should not forget, right? Then we'll go to SQL Plus. In SQL Plus, let it open. Once it has been opened, so it will ask username, password. You try to write the whatever the password you have stored. Hope it won't work because we have created the database. This is the database root password and the root username. So hope it won't connect. Let's try. So that see why it is taking a lot of time. I don't know, it's searching for the username or what. But this is the main database, right? As now I remember, sorry guys, that we have to create a user now, like a schema. Okay. So what is schema means? A space we have allocated for the user. Okay. So an user will be there. Using the root user, we have to become. So let's go to CMD. So CMD. So we'll run as administrator. So because the administrator is required to create a means maybe it will ask administrator privilege. So that's why I'm writing as administrator. Then we'll select as the DBA. I think the command is wrong or what? So maybe it's wrong. Hope it's wrong. So let's check with ChatGPT. Yeah, nowadays it's making very easy things, right? Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Why I'm using ChatGPT means ChatGPT will give very easily and it will save the time. And you guys also has to learn the ChatGPT how to use in coding perspective. In future videos also while doing coding, and I will tell you how to. They are given a command, right? So like DBA command is that. So I have noted down here. In future it may be required. I have to use, right? I should not forget because this I want to use regularly, right? Yeah, now it's got connected. SQL plus C/Oracle is the password. I hope made by default. So future you can change if required. Okay. Yeah, I have connected as this DBA. No, and the root user. No. So now what I should do means I want to check the users available currently. By default squad, HR, like that users will be there, right? So let's see any user we can able to reuse, or else if possible we create the. So let's paste the command what you have taken from there. It's not pasting. We should paste, right? Yeah, it's pasting. Let's see. Here some of the users came, but I hope here whatever the user we are checking. Okay, start these. Again we have to check for passwords, everything. It's a waste of time. So what we'll do means better we can create a user. Yes, let's see. First of all, any user or ORCL, any user is created or not. Now this is called like a debugging. So just I'm going to debug any user I can able to use or not, because I have created and they have checked. Okay, I hope no, not there. Yeah. Then the possibility is to create a new user. No other way. So we'll ask ChatGPT that create a new comments we gave. So let's see. I think we gave now. Yes. Yeah. Started again. Syntax and examples. Everything it has been given. How it is. The beta version is started. The beta kids are going to born. Yep. Okay, so it is an example. Okay, create a user. So we'll create with our channel name itself, like Coding Plaza, and fed by same Coding Plaza. It's easy, right? It's easy to identify the password with username, but don't create in private repositories if you are going to use in like corporate. Yeah, user has been created. There is no issue with command because it has given by ChatGPT. But I won't trust 100%. But we should be trying, right? So we have to give some permissions that grant and all there. So grant is we have to give permissions. Like there will be different commands set in SQL, DML, DDL, DQL, different things. So in that one is one of the category, under category, that grant will be there. So I have given grant will be used for giving permissions. Okay, revoke will be used for removing the permission. So that the videos also I will do in future. Okay, so yeah, I granted the permissions, resource permission, different things are ChatGPT telling. I don't know actually DBA to John. I think DBA permissions I am going to give the CodingPlaza itself, not John. Sorry, my name, my next schema name is John, right? So CodingPlaza I have been changed. So I'm going to give this. You can paste 2 comments at a time, no issues. Yes. Oh, everything granted, right? Yes, they have been done successfully. Yeah. We'll test here by writing a sample query. Hope we'll connect once again with this. It is working or not? Like so, CodingPlaza. Oh, I think wrong comment. I hope. Actually, I won't practice this. I will use tools now. That's why I forgot this. Yeah, let's see. Username I have given CodingPlaza and password also. Yes, it connected successfully. Yeah, it's 93 standard edition we have installed successfully, right? Yeah. Now we will write a sample query. Yeah, it's executing. So that here we have collected. In future video, what we'll do means we'll download the SQL developer and Toad or anything else. So we'll download and we'll check whether it will be work properly or not. This will be correct. Yeah. For today, this is what the video, guys.